Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a pending payment on your Discover card account. If you are trying to make changes to a payment you have scheduled, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, log into Discover website. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Discover website. Once you're there, log into your account using your username and password. Second, navigate to payments. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your account overview. Look for the payments tab at the top of the page and click on it. The third process is access payment history. You will now see a drop down menu. From here, click on payment activity to see all your recent and scheduled payments. Fourth, locate pending payment. In the payment activity section, scroll through the list to find payment that is marked as pending. Pending payments are the ones that have not been processed yet. You can see in this screenshot there's the payment history, and here they will provide you the data about your transactions. Right down of it you can see view pending payments option. Click on it, then you can view the pending payment details and cancel them. In fifth option, cancel a payment. Once you have located your pending payment, there should be a edit option, then click on cancel. Now in the sixth step, you have to confirm cancellation. A confirmation window will pop up asking you if you are sure you want to cancel this payment. Double click the details to ensure you are cancelling the correct payment, and if everything looks good, click confirm. In the last step, you have to verify cancellation. After confirming, you should see a message that your payment has been successfully cancelled. It's always a good idea to double check your payment activity list to ensure the payment is no longer listed as pending. Important notes for you. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of important points to keep in mind. Make sure you cancel your payment before the processing date to avoid any fees. Canceling a payment might affect your account balance and credit utilization, so plan accordingly. If the payment fails to cancel or you encounter any issues, contact Discover's customer service for further assistance. You can find their number in their website's contact page or any business directory that refers Discover card. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. We will meet you again with another informative video. Till then, stay tuned.